Hey y'all, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this, guys, is a really cool 7-wide Merhow trailer. This is a 2017 next generation, so that's an all real wood interior. This is a 7-wide. It is 7'6" tall. It is a 9-foot short wall, so a 7309, no slide, but has a big fridge. So this is a super cool trailer with a lot of options on it in a small compact package. So 23-foot box. It does have a stainless nose. It does have 2 propane tanks, a hydraulic jack, 2 batteries. It is all aluminum. Sold this trailer new here on the lot in 2017. It came back, sold it again to a customer, and it came back again on a trade-in on a brand new Merhow. So this trailer has graced my presence 3 times. I know all the history about this trailer, and it's in excellent shape for a 2017. A couple of things I will show you. We had a couple of boo-boos. So they sideswiped something. Again, it's cosmetic, but a scratch and a peel here on the aluminum bottom. But again, it's actually cosmetic, and you don't really see it at a far distance, but wanted to point that out. It's not causing any issues or anything like that. It has a flip-up step at the escape door. It has 3 drop windows with bars. It does have an escape door, aluminum wheels, the extruded sides underneath those back 2 windows. White in color, no graphics. Again, this is a 9-foot short wall, 23-foot box. This trailer does have a added ramp. So it has an added ramp. Collapsible rear tack. Saddle bar does come out. 3 saddle stands. Bridle hooks there to the inside of the left of the wall, and a brush box. So this is a true testament to a Merhow. Excellent shape. The horse box is immaculate and has held up very well. It's fully lined and insulated, has roof vents, padding on the wall. It's got padding on both sides of the divider. It has a lower divider. The empty weight of this trailer, this is a very light trailer, is 7,500. So empty weight is 7,500. Again, horse box is in immaculate shape. LED lights there on the back wall. Only thing I'll note is a little bit of scuffing here on the bottom. That is atypical. I just did a video on an Exus. It was the same way. So fully lined and insulated, padded airflow dividers, lower divider. Again, everything is in excellent shape. The horse box is immaculate. This trailer is immaculate. They hold up well, guys. They hold value very well, and they hold up over time. Just making sure there's no scratches or dents or anything I don't see in the video. It's got the big slider windows on the rear. Power awning. Has a flip-up step at the LQ door. All right, stepping up in the LQ, it's a cinnamon cabinets. So cinnamon cabinets. Looks very similar to the Merhow I just sold, which is my personal Merhow, which is a 2018. So this is a 73, excuse me, 09. You've got a couch. You've got 2 drawers underneath that couch for storage. Now let me show you something on the couch. It does have 1 spot in the fabric. So it's got 1 spot in the fabric that is a little tear. So full disclosure, showing you that. Cabinets above that couch. That couch does make a small bed. The nose has cabinets there behind the 2 pillows. This is actually a hanging closet and is great storage. It's got a TV on a swing arm. Another cool thing about this trailer is it does have ducted AC, a propane furnace. So let me show you these 2 steps up to the bed. So 2 steps up to the bed. It does have a hanging closet here with a hanging bar, all your remotes and all the books. So spinning back around, you've got a rear kitchen, 2-burner glass top stove, microwave, stainless sink. Again, big fridge, which is super nice. So you have a big fridge in a small compact trailer. It's pretty rare in a 9-foot. Normally all your 9-foot short walls and most brands have a small fridge. So this one is unique in the fact that that is kind of its selling point. It has a big fridge. Usually that becomes a non-negotiable. Once you have a big fridge, it's kind of hard to go back. Again, as I told you, this trailer was traded back in on a brand new Merhow, and that was her biggest concern, non-negotiable. It had to have a big fridge. So with that being said, you get this nice big cabinet space here because you don't have a fridge underneath this cabinet. And the ducted AC is pretty nice as well. So a lot of nice things about this trailer. A lot of nice options. Great size. Corner shower, and that shower is a good size. Soft touch on the walls. Walk-through door. Does have a fan. This cabinet here behind the toilet holds a lot. I can attest to it. I had the same setup in my trailer. Pocket bathroom door. Now I will tell you, it has a sink and vanity. You cannot get your arms in there. So you can definitely use that sink, but don't think that you're going to get completely over that sink. Your arms will not fit in there. All right, guys, so super nice Merhow. It's got some history here. I know all about this little trailer. It's in excellent shape. It comes back, obviously, in the same shape that it left. It's definitely one to consider. So this is a 7309 Merhow 2017 Next Generation, all aluminum, here at Carolina Trailer Sales. Was sold here new, sold again, back again. Super nice trailer. If you have any questions or want to know the price, please go to carolinatrailersales.com for all of the information on this trailer, including pictures. You guys have a great day.